Hi team, this is Sanjay, father of Kirthi, and my about this record is that when my baby was 1 year 5 months old, she used to play with the alphabets in that alphabet puzzle box. And after a week, I think my mother-in-law and my wife they noticed that she used to play with the alphabets in that box. Right after that, they taught her to place the alphabets in the right order, like placing the alphabets randomly to the puzzle box. Once they thought, she grasped. I don't know how she grasped. I think by God's grace, she grasped everything, and then she started to place the alphabet letter in the puzzle box within 2 minutes, 3 seconds. And after that, she started to pick that alphabets randomly. Also, she used to place in that puzzle box. I think that time also same time. I think she completed all that placing the alphabets in the puzzle box within 2 minutes, 3 seconds. And about this record is
Yes. Yes. C. C. ಹಾಕು
ಹಾಕು.
E.
ಹ್ಮ್.
E. O.
ಅವಳು ಆಗ್ತಲ್ ಬಿಡು, ನೀ ಸುಮ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ. ಓನ್.
M. G. G. ಎ. ಏನು ಹೇಳು, ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು. ಎ. ಬಿ. ಎಲ್ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಸುಮ್ಕಿರು.
ಯು. ಟಿ. ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ. ಆರ್. ಎಚ್. ಕ್ಯೂ. ಕ್ಯೂ. ಬಿ.
ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಡಿ. ಝೆಡ್. ವೈ.
ವೈಕಿತ್ತು ವೈ.
ವೈ ವೈ. ಜೆ. ಜೆ. ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ. ಡಿ. ಐ. ಡಿ ಡಿ. ಐ. ಎಫ್. ಎನ್. ಕೆ. 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 ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಪಿ 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 ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಪಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು. ಪಿ 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 ಹಾಕು. ಪಿ ಪಿ